Digital technology has forever changed the vehicle service experience. Get ready to learn how it can improve the process for advisors and technicians, as well as vehicle owners. With digital technology, advisors can move the check-in process outdoors to greet customers right at their vehicles, then scan their license plate and VIN, setting the stage for complete accuracy and efficiency from the get-go. Pre-built canned findings allow services to be quickly added to repair orders, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Any customer and vehicle information that's captured on the tablet integrates with your shop's management system. Jobs can be dispatched and messages sent directly to text with no paper, whiteboards, or bay visits, so they can spend more time diagnosing and repairing vehicles, not writing reports and calling customers. By texting these findings, including photos and videos, it's easier to communicate not just what's being recommended, but why. You can also build a history of wear that prepares customers for any future recommendations. Estimates can be built in real time as the vehicle's being inspected, then sent to customers via text and approved with the simple push of a button. Once the vehicle is ready for pickup, another text will be sent, even providing them a way to pay their invoice right from their phone. So shops get payments right away, and customers get their vehicle and get on with their lives. A final text is sent to each customer after their visit, asking for their review. The more positive reviews you get, the higher Google will rank your website and the more customers will find you. Once you have digital technology in your shop, you'll wonder how you ever got along without it. To learn more about how a digital service method will change how your shop works forever, join us for 2 mini courses, one for the digital technician and another for the digital advisor.